Xhaust Soot Remover is a product designed to remove exhaust and soot from all painted surfaces. It's got a Boeing spec that it's safe on all painted surfaces. It's dilutable with water up to 10:1. It works great on smaller bonanzas like that. There's a lot of exhaust that tends to build up on the wing of a King Air, melts it off of there very quickly, and it's safe to use. There's nothing caustic about it. CorrosionX is a product designed for eliminating rust from ever accumulating in the wings of the airplane. It's used by spraying it through one of our spray systems inside the wings of the airplane. It's also used in aerosol cans to treat like engine compartments or landing gears. Our competitors do not qualify for the same mil-spec 81309H. It's kind of our flagship product we've been selling for 30 years. Rejects is a polymer coating that you use instead of wax. It lasts 3 times longer than a wax. When you use rejects on the leading edge of a wing and you get bugs, or even on top of the wing, you can take a damp rag and the bugs will wipe off. It's also really great on soot, for example, on the tail boom of a helicopter. If you have rejects on there before, they'll just wipe off real easily. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of rejects on the top of this wing. It's good for hard surfaces. You don't want to use this on anything porous. It's safe on glass, plastic, paint. Besides airplanes, this is a great product for your car. It's a great product for a boat, for an RV. It's used widely in all those different applications. Aerosol is a belly degreaser. This is something you'd use to get all the oil, all the fuel, all the exhaust that accumulates on the belly of an airplane, and it works a whole lot faster than using any typical degreaser. You just spray it on in a trigger like this, let it sit about a minute, get a rag and wipe. And you're going to see how easy it is to get the accumulation of all of those different substances off the belly of an airplane. I mean, you can see all the hoses that are shooting stuff on the belly of the airplane here. This is about the fastest way to clean. It's a great application for people with obviously small airplanes like this, people that have aerial applicators / crop dusters. They get a lot of combination of fuel and fertilizers and pesticides on the bellies of the airplane, and this is something that cleans all that off of there really nicely and really quickly. You know, I always tell people, you know that crud you get on the belly of your airplane that's real hard to get off? This will take it off faster than anything else. Pro Wash is a neutral pH wash and shine type soap. You use this to do 80% of the airplane. This is what you wash it with a bucket and a brush, or if you have a foaming sprayer, you can foam this on, maybe agitate with a brush, rinse it off. It's a neutral pH, which means it won't bother anything. It's really safer to use than a lot of competitors that you might even buy for your kitchen that people think are like a Dawn dishwashing soap that you think is super gentle. It'll take wax off pretty easily. This rinses real nice without water spotting or streaking. People use it on cars, RVs, airplanes. It's a great soap. A-Plex is a plexiglass cleaner that's got approvals from Boeing, suitable for use on LEXAN 9600 and GE MR5 LEXAN, which just means it's safe to use on LEXAN. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this window. I'm going to get a microfiber towel. It won't leave any kind of film behind. It'll clean great. That is one clean window.
One clean window.
We're going to demonstrate the 5-star foam, which is an all-purpose exterior, interior cleaner. What makes this product special is it doesn't leave any kind of film behind after it's done doing its cleaning. Not all-purpose cleaners are like that. Let's say you're between flights and you just want to touch up the airplane a little bit. This is a great product to use both inside and outside.